Number 10, special forces. A manager assigns specific tasks directly to certain engineers, thus bypassing the product owner, or alternatively, a manager removes an engineer from a team to work on such a task. This behavior does not only violate core Scrum principles, it also indicates that the manager cannot let go command and control practices. He or she continues to micromanage subordinates, although Scrum would actually allow a different solution to that. Probably the Scrum team can handle this in a completely self-organized manner, as it is supposed to do. Probably if this kind of behavior continues, it signals that the team should address the topic with the higher management and seek support in dealing with that, because this is severely undermining A, the team performance, and B, the team morale, right? It's classic cargo cult.